Okay, now I got the microphone on. Much quicker footage here. Fella making an image of an arm that's spray painted into the photograph, obviously. He's got magnets and stuff, and maybe he wants to make amends. Another guy, right? Got a skull here. All spray painted in place. So, look, he looks funny, right? Same here. Look at this. All photoshopped in. Look at these people. Right? Yep. Oops. Aw. Look. Guy with his electrodes. And a battery. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure. Look. Gear. Yeah. What a joke. Look at this guy. Sewing machine, pump, and an image of Helen. Is that right? Yeah. Look at this. Guy and his contained wife. Pump. All spray painted in place. Just to make you think there's a spirit world. What a joke. Anybody else? Oh, look. Using candles. Smoke to make an image of her daughter. All spray painted in just for you. And the people went, I'm so serious. You were joking, right? All this spray painted just for me. Yeah, all of it. Spray painted. Photoshopped in just for me.